Currently, my role is Associate Clinical Data Manager at Fortrea. Back in 2020, when I initially joined Fortrea, I joined at Senior Clinical Data Specialist. Then I advanced into this role just last year in 2023. A typical day looks essentially like looking at the metrics. So reviewing the metrics, updating several reports, creating new reports, and then checking on the upcoming milestones for a clinical trial, what we need to drive necessarily, updating the client, the slide deck for the client, a meeting, which could be like, let's say weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, basically being the point of contact from the client perspective or even within the project team itself, being a point of contact for all the data review activities, any escalations, anything of that sort. So I'll be point of contact. I was a senior clinical data specialist, which in itself has like a hierarchy, like you're probably an intern, then you become an associate clinical data analyst, and then you become a clinical data analyst, and then specialist, and then a senior specialist, and then it's the associate clinical data manager. And the next step for me will be a senior clinical data manager. So if you are probably in clinical, like a CRA, you can always transition over to this side, provided you spend the required time in training, etc. And then within a few projects, probably you'll get a hang of it because you are parallelly working with data management. Being an associate clinical data manager, I think it's been very refreshing in terms of the amount of control that we have over the taking data management decision. So it's great, as I mentioned, collaborating with the medical reviewers, clinical pharmacovigilance, sometimes with the client, and also backing up for the functional lead, because you'll have to face the client, you will have to present the study state, clinical state, study status, etc. So it's really, really the level of exposure that we get in this role is amazing. It's tremendous growth from what we were doing earlier, which is just working on the clinical database. So we are at a cusp where we are client facing, but also we have one leg in the data review processes as well.